Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. Today I will be making fried beans and sauce. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. For my list of ingredients, I have cooked momo, smoked mackerel fish, I have red bell pepper and onion, I have cooked beans. So come with me as we cook. In a clean pan, I will add vegetable oil and allow this to hot for some minutes, and then I will add the chopped onions and fry this for some minutes as well. And thereafter I will be adding the blended pepper mix, and then I will stir this and fry this for another minute again before adding the next ingredient. If this is your first time of coming across any of my videos, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like. Thank you. Next, I will go ahead to add Maggi, and then I will go ahead to add salt as well and give everything a stir, and then I'll cover this to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes later, I will add my washed dry prawns, and then I'll be adding the cooked beans. After adding the cooked beans, I'll go ahead to add blended crayfish, and then I will mix everything together, and I will cover to cook for 5 to 6 minutes, and then I will open up the pan and go ahead to give this a stir. And after stirring, I will leave this on top of the gas cooker in a very low heat, and then I will move over to the next thing. For the sauce, I will add palm oil into a clean pan and allow to hot for some minutes. Next, I will be adding the pepper mix, and then I will add onions. I know you are surprised why did I add onions first. I want to give it a twist a little bit. And then after adding the onions, I'll go ahead to stir this up and then cover to cook for some minutes, and I will show you the next thing to do. After a few minutes, I'll open up the pan, and now I'll add the smoked mackerel fish, and then I'll also go ahead to add one more into this. All this I added is very optional, and then I'll be adding no Maggi. I'll also add salt as well, and then I'll give everything a good stir. And guys, if you have watched this video up to this moment, you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything for you to subscribe. Subscribe, share, like, and leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you. Now I'll go ahead to cover this up to cook for 5 minutes, and then I'll open up the pan, and then I'll give everything a good stir. And after 5 minutes, my sauce and my beans are ready to be devoured. Guys, what will you be pairing this up with? This was so yummy and so tasty. Every member of my family enjoyed this. For me, I went ahead to pair this up with some fried plantain. You can also add some rice into this as well, or you can use bread to eat this as well. Anything of your choice is okay. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.